Charmaine is getting her makeup done.
By yours truly.
What are we doing?
Bring up some more purple. Blend you in nicely.
Oh, she's an actress, but she also, does the makeup.
This is how I eat.
My name is Purple Tramble. I am a director and writer, and among other things. But I'm 25 years old, and I'm from Seattle, Washington. Spike Lisa.
And what or who is your greatest inspiration as a director?
Spike Lee, yeah, but also Oscar Micheaux and Alfred Hitchcock. And I just met Cassie Lemon. She's pretty cool, but hasn't really influenced me as much as like Spike Lee. So.
And what other talents do you have aside from directing?
I act, I sing, I write, I paint, I do everything. I mean, yeah, a little bit of everything, yeah.
And what do you feel your strengths are as a director?
Connecting with actors, because one of my first loves was acting, but I started out writing. But I was just like, once I found out about Spike Lee and how he did it, he went around, pretty much did the directing, and then put himself in his films. And I feel like, back then I was like, I could do that, and now doing it.
First greatest inspiration had to be Denzel Washington, of course, being black and being as talented as he is. And then Leonardo DiCaprio, coming from a range of different, especially voices and how he can incorporate anything. That's probably one of my top lists. And last one I have to say, my greatest inspiration would have to be Daniel Craig with James Bond. So he did an amazing job with that.
I believe my strengths are really connecting emotionally. Like I said earlier, since that's really important to me, I try to portray that with different roles that I play. And so I would say connecting emotionally with the audience.
All right, camera rolling. And action. That's all y'all back there. Gotta be loud as a sound. Yeah, it could. So I guess we got alternate endings here.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's a wrap.
Woo!
That's a wrap, son. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's a wrap. High five.
Oh
It's a
yeah.
wrap.